Now see here, next example. In this example, two Polaroids are placed at 90 degree to each other and the transmitted intensity is 0. What happens when one more Polaroid is placed between these two, bisecting the angle between them? Suppose you have got one Polaroid over here and one Polaroid over here. This is the Polaroid A and this is Polaroid B. This point is O here. Now, intensity passing through this Polaroid is right now 0. Now, what happens when we take another Polaroid over here, that is the C? Bisecting this angle, so this angle is 45 degree, this angle is 45 degree. Suppose intensity of the light coming from the first Polaroid is I. According to law of Malus, intensity passing through this is here I dash, and here intensity passing through this is I double dash. We can write I dash is directly proportional to cos square 45. So, that is here I dash is equal to, we can write here I cos square 45, that can be written here 1 by 2, that is I by 2. So, this I is the intensity of the light coming from the first Polaroid. Now, we can write I double dash. I double dash is also directly proportional to cos square 45 according to law of Malus. So, we can write I double dash is equal to I dash cos square 45, that is 1 by 2, but I dash is already known to us, that is I by 2. So, we can write I by 4. So, intensity of the light passing through this second Polaroid B is here I by 4, where I is the intensity of the light coming from the first Polaroid.